Hello, and welcome to the Fast Track Ultra Sloped Roof Intake Form tutorial. Today, I am going to walk you through filling out the form. Fill out your personal information. Select the account manager from our sales team that you work with. Otherwise, select No Preference and you will be assigned one. The project address is the physical location of the building where the solar system will be installed, not your office or company headquarters. Insert the building information. Select a roof type. For asphalt shingles, specify your roof anchor. For a metal roof, select either standing seam or corrugated. Choose your anchor style. It's okay if you are unsure. Our team can help you select the right anchor for your job after you submit an intake. Include the specific dimensions of your metal roof profile. Select your module type and quantity. Thanks for watching.